Recently, I created a prompt to suggest a discipline for a child that is constructive and will not destroy the child's self-esteem. And I must tell you, I was wowed. I'm going to share that exact prompt with you if you stick with me to the end of this video. Not that alone, I'm also going to teach you how you can create your own prompt and give you a resource where you can learn more to become an expert in prompt creation. If this is something that interests you, follow me and let's get started. This was the exact chatgpt prompt I used, and I must tell you the result was awesome. And I'm going to be putting you through exactly line by line why I created the prompt like that and how you can as well modify it if you want to test it on your own. So let me open my Microsoft Office to show you the exact prompt and how it looks. This is the prompt in my MS Word. Every prompt I use, I document them on MS Word so that when I need them again, I go there, copy it. If I want to modify, I modify. If I want to improve on them, I improve on them. Now, if you look at this prompt, this was not the way it was in the ChatGPT. After that tutorial, I decided to modify it to suit exactly what I wanted. This prompt has three parts. The first part is to instruct ChatGPT and prepare ChatGPT for the coming instruction. Now, why the second part is going to tell ChatGPT the position it should take in answering the next question. Now, the tag has to do with the informations that the ChatGPT will use while writing the response is going to supply to us. Now that is clear out of the way, don't mind me, this section was actually the title of the video you are watching. So while I was trying to come up with a title, this title came to my head and I quickly put it here on the Microsoft Office so that I won't forget. So probably when you are watching this, if you look at the title, it looks very close to this. So that said, now let's copy this first prompt. This first prompt, like I said, is going to prepare ChatGPT for the second prompt that has to do with the position ChatGPT is going to take. So let's paste it in ChatGPT. I'm going to clear my previous conversation so that I can have a clean sheet. So I've cleared all. Clear conversation. See, I've cleared the conversation, so I'm starting on a new plate. ChatGPT is very, very interesting. I'm going to give you some information before asking you to generate a response. Do you understand? And ChatGPT said, yes, I understand. Please go ahead and provide the information you like me to consider when generating a response. You see that? That's the first part. Now, the second prompt is this. You are a parent. You are assuming the position of a parent. I will copy this and paste it inside ChatGPT. Let me paste this here and press enter. It's clear. Please provide the age of the child and the offense they committed so I can suggest. Good. So let's go back to our MS Word. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to supply this tag and I'm also going to supply another tag. Let's try the second tag we are going to supply. Age 15. Let me say 18. No, 17. Offense. Missing classes. So let's supply the first tag. That's what you are going to just copy the tags and paste the tags here. Then enter. For a 14-year-old who has stolen meat from the pot, a corrective discipline that could be effective without damaging their self-esteem or causing depression is to have them make restitution for their actions. This could involve having them walk around the house or in the community to earn money to replace the stolen meat, or doing some chores to make up for the value of the stolen meat. It is also important to have a conversation with the child about why stealing is wrong and how it affects others. Help them understand the consequence of their actions and encourage them to make amends. It's important to note that discipline should always be approached with empathy and understanding. It's important to help the child understand the gravity of their actions without causing them emotional harm. Encourage them to learn from their mistakes and make better choices in the future. This is awesome. Do you understand? This is can you do this? This is awesome, man. Now let's take the second tags. Now let's use the second tag and let's see what ChatGPT is going to supply us with. Just pick the second tag here and enter. Can you imagine? This is mad. I think counselors are going to lose their job. Honestly, this is massive. That is why you need to understand how to use prompts. This is one of the prompts I have developed myself, and I'm always happy whenever I use this. You can tweak it yourself, and if you have any question, let me know. If you have tweaked it, you can send us the update of your tweaking in the comment section. Send us what outcome you have when you use this prompt. I am honestly, this is mind-blowing. Thank you for watching. If you find value in this video, kindly subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I make awesome videos like this. And YouTube can also recommend these particular videos to others, as it's going to help them and help this channel to grow.